Is this recording? I think it is. So in this video we're going to see how to create a WebSocket using Angular, Spring Boot, and I don't know, fucking the database here. What is this? It's Oracle. Yeah, you can, this is SQL developer, but yeah, it's Oracle. Okay. So the first thing you're going to have to do is to of course the dependencies stuff. Okay, good. The dependency, you go to your pom.xml. okay, and the dependency you have to dependency is this WebSocket thing. Okay, I'm assuming that you will fucking be pausing the video each and every second and copy this shit manually because I'm not putting any link in the description. Go fuck yourselves. Okay, now the second thing you have to do is I don't know, I think that you don't have to. This is my dependencies. Don't look at my dependencies. Okay, this is private stuff. Okay, you believe that? You better believe that, you fucking scumbag. So this is the WebSocket configuration. You have to mark it with configuration so the Spring Boot knows that it has to run this before everything else when your application starts. Okay, this is just an annotation that you have to put there because it just works. So implements WebSocket message broker configuration, otherwise you can do shit. Okay, you register stomp endpoint. This is the endpoint, which means that from the client you are going to have to connect to this. Okay, it's the first thing you have to do before even subscribing to a certain broker, or how I call it, channel. Okay. This is set allowed origins. If you put a star here, fucking this little thing, if you put it here, each and every origin would be allowed. Okay, it just didn't work for me when I put it there, therefore I put the port of Angular. So if you want to work for sure, you just put fucking at the Angular port. Okay, with Shock.js, I don't know what the fuck that does, but there are the dude whose tutorial I saw put it there, therefore I'm going to do that as well. Okay, so this is configure message broker, which means that you configure the fucking channels. Okay, it's I did slash topic, and with I mean that other dude whose all work I copied did slash topic. This is the prefixes to the fucking endpoint. Okay, it's gonna be app, slash app slash chat. It's gonna be fucking your localhost slash go fuck yourself. Good. Now on to the controller we go. So this is going to be called called my ass. This is going to be executed, not called, every time you send a message, because from the client you're going to subscribe to this particular channel broker, whatever the fuck. Okay, and this is to make shit dynamic, so that each and every chat is unique and it's not just one big group chat like a lot of YouTubers like to do. Okay, I saw plenty of WebSocket tutorials when they just did a huge group chat and called it a day. That would never work, okay, in a real web application. So we're going to do this like this. And of course, yes, I copied this. Okay, I copied this. Don't fucking bother me in the comments because I already know that. So shut the fuck up. Good. I didn't even bother to like remove the dude's system.out println. That's fucking funny, isn't it? So this is to make the chat persistent. You whatever. With with the database, I included that in the video, so I have to explain that as well. Fucking hell. So is set chat ID to set the ID of this particular message. I guess I have to show you the fucking entity, otherwise you would be understand shit. So each and every message has whatever is on ID, the ID whose chat it belongs to, who the fuck sent it, when the fuck was sent, and the content. Okay, I'm assuming that you already know how SpringDataJpa works, because I'm not going to explain it to you, because I do not want to, because I'm lazy and because I have to go to the bathroom. Therefore I'm going to explain shit very speedy, okay? Quickly. Yes. Now I'm going to fill each and every shit, then I save the message. Oh yeah, I have to explain this little shit. Okay, this fucking sets the chat ID, so it gets the channel. So every time, I mean, if it is a new channel, the it gets fucking registered. Okay, ID stuff, database. Okay, good. Let's go back up. So you get the ID whose chat it belongs to. Then you save that shit. Then you do this shit to fucking send the message to the channel who like the clients subscribe to, so that it shows it gets sent back to them. Okay, and yeah, this is the message which is automatically mapped for some reason, even though it doesn't have any fucking annotations. I don't know how this shit works, but it works, so good. This is get messages. This is gonna be the channel, because every time you like open the chat with somebody from the browser, a request gets sent to the server with with the chat string, channel name, whatever, and it finds that shit. I didn't explain this one. Okay, it finds the chat, and if that shit exists, then it can return all the messages sent there. Otherwise it returns nothing, because fuck you, I mean nothing. Okay, good. God damn it. This is just my shit to generate the timestamp. Don't ask why. This I already explained this. So now onto the front end we go. Why is because I modified that with a little star. So yeah. Front end. So this is our chat component in Angular. Okay, first of all you're going to have to install shock.js, websock.js, I don't know how the fuck it's called, and stomp.js. So you do like, fuck, what did I do? No matter, I'm going to ignore that. Okay, yes, I fixed it. You're gonna do npm I know shock my shock.js, which stands for save that shit. Okay, and then you do the same with stomp.js. Okay, and it's not going to work at first. It's just not gonna work at first. You're going to install also net, and then after you do that, it's not going to work still. And the last thing you're going to have to do to make it work, it's wait, I need to look for that shit. Where the fuck is it? Yeah, this shit. You're going to have to do this shit. Otherwise it's not going to work, because you go fuck yourself. That's why. So in the component you need to import that shit. Okay, so yeah, this is your URL. Now first of all, how do you connect to your fucking WebSocket? Okay, you're going to do this method. You fucking, let's see that method. Okay, this is to determine which channel it is. Basically you need to have a string which is unique from both clients connected to the thing, otherwise are two different channels and they won't be receiving each other's messages. So yeah, you determine your channel name, whatever, it's a string. This is load chat. it just takes the messages if are already there. Should I show this to you? Whatever, let's show this to you. Oh, what the fuck was that? Okay, yeah, whatever. It's shown already. I just yeah, get the thing here. This messages is my messages. Fuck you. And it's gone. Yeah, I hope you saw that real good, because I'm not going to show that again. Yeah, you do this socket. I fucking instantiate it here because fuck you. That's why on this URL /chat, because /chat is your endpoint, which was here. Okay, good. Then you stomp over that, and which means fuck you. Then you connect to your particular channel from stomp. Okay, frame means I don't fucking know. This shit returns undefined each and every time, but I don't care. This stomp client subscribe. Yeah, it means that you subscribe to this topic. I mean channel, whatever. This is static. Those are the prefixes, and this is what makes it unique for each and every chat. Then we're going to pass it a function, which means what do I have to do when I connect successfully. Okay. Kinda. What was I doing here? Whatever, I don't care. Let's go on. The show must go on. The shitty show must go fucking on. Well, what to do when the client receives data? Oh yeah, I do load chat again. Yeah. Fuck you. That's why I get the messages again, because the messages that we just received got saved into the database. So I'm going to get the shit again. This is to sort that, because sometimes it gets returned like it's not sorted correctly. So like the last message, maybe it's shown for first, whatever. Why am I on the HTML? Fuck you, HTML. Nobody likes you. Yeah. And this is send message. Like this is my phone control. I'm assuming you know how to get strings from the user. You get your fucking string, and then you use some client that send it. You specify the channel name. I mean, you have to do the whole endpoint and the channel name. Guys, fuck you. That's why. This is how I send a message. You stringify all the information you want to put inside a message, and then this is to make the input be fucking empty again, otherwise it's gonna be stay there, and we don't want that because it's ugly like me. So chat component HTML. Yeah, I'm going to show this to you, but we both know you're not going to understand shit of this. I basically, yeah, I went to Websocket. No, how is it called, the website? Snippet something? I don't know. I copied this template. Okay, good. For each and every message, async because it's an observable. If so, good. Now that I explained correctly the HTML, we're going to see how it works. Now, since this loads, it's already connected, so I'm assuming there's some shit in the console here. Yeah, like connecting to chat, element ref. Yeah, fuck you. This is for debug purposes. Yeah, connected to undefined, as I said it would have been, because I'm too fucking smart. Yeah, this is the channel, which is comprised of like the nickname of the first user and the second user. I mean, it's unique, so this is generated by an algorithm which checks which ID is the greater, and fuck you. So as we can see, these two dicks are connected to each other. And if I say like fuck you, if I say this, yeah, I can't I can't. Okay, you. Good. Now that we saw that it works, I can say like shop you back. Okay. No, it doesn't work because I restarted the server. Yeah, now we got it. Dick. Let's see. Dick. Yeah, Dick. No, you Dick. Dick. No, you Dick. Yeah. Good. Very, very nice. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been an honor being a dickhead with you.